Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. Wavykid. Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. It's the way. Wavykid.
This kid gonna be somebody better than anybody ever knew.
Our deepest fear is not that we are an addict. Our deepest fear is that we are
For flag.
YouTube, what up, y'all? We back with another tutorial, okay? This video, I did a fire mid-drop fade, well, mid-fade, mid-drop fade, whatever you want to call it. Did it on the kid this time. Alright, my boy has great hair texture, and when I mean great hair texture, it's not a shot to any other person with a different hair texture. It just means it's easier to blend for me. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of other people might think coarse hair is a great hair texture. Other people might think straight hair is a good hair texture. But for me, it's curly hair. You know what I'm saying? It's easy. The blend looks sweet all the time. So the first thing I did was set a ball guideline, and I basically contoured it to his head shape. And now I'm doing my lever open, going up almost a full inch, in the same exact shape that I set my ball guideline in. When you set your guidelines in, make sure you go over that same guideline over and over again, just to make sure it's even. You don't want a non-consistent guideline. That'll make your whole fade non-consistent or look like finished or unfinished in certain areas. Alright, so moving on to the next step, I got my one guard open. I'm going to do the same exact thing that I just did my lever open, still following that shape. But yeah, y'all, my client, he asked me when he came in, he's like, yeah, you make YouTube videos, right? Because I guess he didn't know. I think this is like my 5th or 6th time cutting him. I lost track, but yeah, I guess he didn't know that I make YouTube videos. I told him, I was like, yeah, you want to be on there? He was like, yeah, I want to be on there. So we got him on there, got the tutorial done. He always did a fire cut anyway, so it worked out for both of us. Alright, y'all, now I'm getting ready to debulk with the 2-guard open. I'm not digging into the hair, I'm kind of just getting rid of all that top bulk on top of the 1-guard open section. I'm trying to blend it into the top. We are going to do a clip over comb, but as of right now, I'm trying to blend that top bulk into the top to all the curly hair. Now I got my comb. Now basically doing clip over comb, you want to use your big comb. You want to dig into the hair and pull it out until the comb is flat on the head and match the sides, and then cut whatever hair is sticking out. That way it could be going straight up. The hair be going straight up through the sides. And when you cut the hair off, try doing it with the lever open first. That way you don't cut too much hair off. And then if it's not cutting anything, then use the lever closed. Alright, so now that we did clip over comb, I'm going to come back under that 2.5 section with the 2 closed, just so to make it easier for me to blend the 1-guard section into the 2-guard open section. Now I got my 1-guard open. Just using my corners, about to blend that 1-guard section into the 2 section. And it should be easier because you did come with the two clothes, so it should be easier to blend it in. Now I'm about to use my zero guard close. Make sure you adjust your lever. You don't want to go too high with the same lever at the same spot that it was at. So make sure you adjust your lever. If you have to go higher, try to use mainly your corners. You can use your full blade sometimes, but I won't recommend it. So use your corners and flick out that line. Just think of this zero guard as an eraser.
Our deepest fear is not that we are an addict. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure.
Alright, so now we at the last step of the fade, well, the second last step. I got my zero close, taking out that bottom guideline using my corners. Just being careful how high I go up. If you have to go up higher, it's the same step with the zero guard close. You just want to adjust your lever. That way you're not raising the fade. Just so y'all know, man, I'm really happy that you guys are supporting me, man. We are growing real fast on all social media platforms, so I really appreciate y'all and all y'all support, man. It really makes me happy. We had 32K last video. We just hit 30K, and now we at 32K. You trying to hit 50K by the end of the year, but honestly, I'm aiming for 100K by the end of this year. The way my channel is growing right now. The way my channel is going right now, so we're gonna try to get there. But right now I'm doing detail work. I was struggling with the back of his head a little bit because it's super dense. But after the detail work, we did get it together, and this fade did come out super blurry. So right now I'm about to do clip over comb for the front edge up. I know it looked like I'm combing this hair mad aggressive. listen, I had to get that hair combed out, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we got the big comb. We finna do clip over comb on the front, just so it's no hair hanging over when I curl the hair after I do the lineup. So I'm doing clip over comb. Like I said before, just dig the comb in front of the hair. Dang, I can't talk. Jesus. Dig the comb into the hair and pull it back until it's straight up, or the same angle that the head shape is. That way the hair can just be cut and it'll be sticking straight up by itself after you cut the hair that's sticking out of the comb. Now I have my metal comb by SBI Styles, just combing the front hairline down, and I'm gonna cut the front hairline down to a 1 guard open, and then on the very tips of the hairline I'm gonna use the 1 closed. So now I'm spraying hairspray. I'm about to blow dry it, and then I'm just gonna line it up. I use hairspray on mostly all of my lineups just to get it real crispy. It gives it that ash effect. You don't want the ash effect to be too heavy, but you want it to look crispy.
Our deepest fear is not that we are an addict. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond love.
Alright, you guys, now I'm about to enhance it. Okay, I told y'all what can I use. The link is in the description, but I grabbed the wrong color and I didn't see like his hair color at the store, so it blends in with certain parts of his hair, but in the front it kind of lifts off. But when I get done, after I curl it and everything, it's not gonna look that bad. It just right now it looks bad. But yeah, he did love the cut after. But right now I'm using hairspray, because basically the enhancement that I use is basically like spray on hair fibers. So even though it sticks by itself, I always add hairspray on top of it just to make it last just a little bit longer, and I can go over that line one more time and give it a more crispy effect. As you can see right now, it's because I sprayed that hairspray, it looks more crispy than it did before. So now I'm using my mousse by Hairstyles. I'm going to apply this in the hair, rub it all in his hair, blow dry it with my Hairstyles blow dryer with the diffuser on it on high heat. And I'm just going to do the same motion as if you were sponging his hair. I really don't know what to do, but I know it makes the curls look sweet after. So yeah, so y'all do this and let me know what it does for y'all. And you can get all these products by SBIstyles.com and use Wavykid 10 at checkout. Alright y'all, this is the cut. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Like if you like the video, comment what you think. I honestly think this is one of the best mid-fades on YouTube on the kid, you know what I'm saying? But hey, everybody got their own opinions. But yeah, it's your boy Kid Kev. Follow me on Instagram at Wavykid_Kev. And I'm out. New videos coming soon every week, every Friday. Let's get it.